Well, you could certainly tell summer is right about here with today's weather.
Yeah, we don't need 709 tomorrow evening. No. We're here. Summer's been here for a while. And hot temperatures again this afternoon, cooling as we went through the evening. Look at the last 6 hours. The yellows of the 70s. Don't see too many greens on there. We may hit some greens later. And notice right along the coast, it's still in the oranges. It's still much warmer here along coastal areas. Probably will stay that way for the night. 74 now at WTOC. Relative humidity at 87%. Our winds are calm. Pressure is high. 86 was our high today. Officially, 88 was our high at the airport. 66 the morning low. Records set 1887 was when we set the record high. We are at a deficit, 43/100ths of an inch of rain. We'd like to see some more rain. It's been 8 days since our last significant rainfall, but nothing tonight. Live local Doppler Max 11 radar is all clear. Nothing to show you this evening. And across the region, you've got to get way up here to the northern tier of states before you see any rain. That's going to stay there, thankfully, with all these severe weather reports as well. We don't have to worry about that. The coral is deep moisture. The blue is really dry air. Some lighter blues here getting pushed to North Georgia. See the darker blues that are moving in? That's going to protect us, especially if this deep moisture comes up forward to the north like it looks like it's going to try to do as we go through the weekend. And we do have a tropical storm to warn you about. It's a name burner more than anything else. Chris is out here in the far North Atlantic with 45-mile-an-hour winds. Will swing back into the North Atlantic, only be a tropical storm for about 24 hours, and then he'll be gone. Of greater concern, quite frankly, is this activity in the northern Caribbean, which is going to try to slide into South Florida. It may be able to hold together all the way up to North Georgia, and there's a plume of Pacific moisture crossing Mexico that might get into the Gulf as well. So we've got a couple areas of disturbed weather we need to watch. And look at the rainfall from this area of disturbed weather. The red numbers, that's up to 5 inches of rain expected across South Florida. None of that like that in our area. In fact, thanks to the area of high pressure, that may hold everything at bay. But for now, we'll watch the high move away. The next front will come along. That will catch any moisture here as well. So it shouldn't hang around long. But again, we'd like to see some significant moisture at some point. 3:30 will be our next tide. It'll be low. 9:22 the next high tide. There's your summer solstice at 7:09 tomorrow evening, and we're at a new moon for tonight. Check the First Alert Doppler Max 11 forecast. Another pleasant evening into another pleasant night. 68 for a low this evening under clear skies. Tomorrow, some midday clouds, but basically sunny, just like today. East wind again, 8 to 12. 88 should be the high. Cooler temperatures on the islands. 67 for tomorrow night. Mostly sunny. Thursday, Friday, 89 and 90 degrees. Saturday, Sunday may have a chance of showers and thunderstorms from that tropical moisture, and we'll keep that chance into Monday, Tuesday too. Temperatures up to the lower 90s as we go along. So 68 tonight, mostly sunny, 88 for tomorrow, and looking ahead to the weekend, lots of fun things to do, including the watermelon parade and the watermelon seed spitting contest. Oh, and it's so much fun. Well, Hampton just has such a great town. One of those few parades that start in one town and go to another. Barnville over to Hampton. It's great fun. Whatever you got planned for tomorrow, for the weekend, follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
Thanks a lot, John.
No, I'm not going to spit anything.
I'm just wondering.